Hello everybody, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to peer review. So peer review might be something that is very unique to Canvas. So let's go through an example. So for example, I'm going to go into deliverable 3.1b. Any of the deliverables that you go, that it's the first time that you turn something in, you're going to have to peer review. So if it says this assignment does not count toward the final grade, it means we'll grade it for completion, but you'll peer grade someone and give them feedback. Really what we're looking for is for you to give feedback. So you would go here on the right and see who you're missing to peer review. It means I've already peer reviewed Antonia. I'm missing to peer review Juanita. So I'll click on Juanita. These peer reviews get assigned automatically and you'll get an email. So don't worry about that. So here in this peer review, you'll get a screenshot of a screen of what is in their deliverable. To see it completely, you'll have to click on view in a new tab. So what peer reviewing is you'll go over here to see the rubric, read completely what it is that full marks look like. So let's say organizational history, I'm going to read in detail what a full marks look like, what half marks, and what no marks. And I'm going to look at Juanita's deliverable and decide, okay, so I think she only turned in an incomplete research piece, so I'm going to give her 1 half mark. Then I would complete this for all of the rubrics for the formal organization. Let's say that she has full marks here, and here full marks. This is just an example. And I will save my comments. And now I want to practice my sandwich feedback method, and looking on what I did about how I graded her in the rubric, I'm going to write my feedback method. So maybe I'll say, Juanita, I loved how your group composition was very complete. Great job. It's the bread, the first good part. And then I'm going to give her some advice of how I could improve this. I would, however, add more to the organizational framework. Maybe try writing more about the history of the company. So the idea is that my feedback is not just going to be like, Juanita, your organizational framework was beautiful. No, I really want to give her specific advice of how she can improve this. And you'll know because it's in the rubric. And at the end, I'll also give her a little more bread. Great work. And I'll hit save. Now she'll get both how I graded her and my sandwich feedback method. And that's how you peer review. You will get peer reviewed by 2 people and you'll peer review 2 people. Once you implement that feedback and improve your deliverable as much as possible, you'll turn in to what would be deliverable C. So let's go to it. So you would go and turn it in here now with the feedback implemented. So great. See your deliverable.